name is Nur Arina Binti from the LA1A. I am Integrated Logistic Management Semester 1 student in KPM Mana Penawa. My group would like to present the title we have chosen about supply chain of Gardenia. So let's move to the introduction about Gardenia. In 1969, Mr. Harutu Said Slokum came to East Malaysia to start a bakery. In 1981, Gardenia Bakery rolled the first loaf of bread within short year. Now, Gardenia keep on producing good bread to satisfy consumer demand. Gardenia has remained the market leader until today. So next, we proceed to the raw materials. They use good flour by getting it at Malaysian flour mills. Padi Beras Nasional has supplied rice to make flour to Gardenia Malaysia, and then they using import milk from particular countries such as USA and New Zealand. They using other raw material too, like yeast, wheat, protein, sugar, vegetable fat, salt, raisin juice, and vinegar.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izmah Binti Ahmad. My ID number is PDL 21111034. I study in course Diploma in Thank you to Nashra. Now here my part. My part is manufacture. This manufacture has 10 steps. So the first step is automatic blending. Automatic blending is the part of the process begin with a computerized blending of the amount of quality ingredients. This also helps to ensure equal goods in every lot. Second step is punch. This part is what the ingredients that we need to mix the ingredient. So the first ingredient we need the flour. The second ingredient is purified water. The third ingredient is yeast. The fourth ingredient is vitamin and water. So the ingredients are added together and released into a dough. So the third step is fermentation room. Fermentation room is to keep the dough in room that under control temperature for 4 hours. 4 hours. It also has carbon dioxide developed in a unique Gardenia to make a good texture, aroma, and taste. Step number 4 is dough mixing. This part we mix again the dough with other ingredients, which is wheat powder, vegetable, shortening, wheat gram, and honey. And after that, we divide into a small pieces. Then we go through to check weight before we put into the oven to bake. Step number 5 is turn oven. Here, when the bread are baked for 20 minutes for 200 degrees Celsius. Step number 6 is dehydrator and debatter. After the bread already baked, the freshly baked are removed by vacuum by conveyor to a bread decoder. Step number 7 is automatic slicer and bagel. When the bread already cold, it's ready to cut by slice and wrap for a packaging. So the last step is daily delivery. Gardenia begins preparation for daily delivery for 365 days, and it starts delivery at 3 a.m. when people still sleep. Gardenia also deliver almost 300 returns only for Malaysia and Singapore. So that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Lokman Adam bin Usudi. I'm from DLM 1A in the Integrated Logistic Management Diploma Program from College Professional Marah, Bandar Penawar.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Lokman Adam. For my part is I take about the distribution. For point number 1 is Gardenia supplier from important link throughout the company customer value delivery system. For point number 2 is resources required by the company to manufacture its goods and services. It's like the plastic to make packaging and transportation to deliver the bread to the consumer. For point number 3 is Gardenia prefer to buy its resources from local supplier to ensure the resources received are fresh. It is because easier and faster taking local than taking import goods.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman Hakim bin Zulazri. I'm from KPM Bandar Penawar. My course in KPM is Integrated Logistic Management. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman Hakim. I'm from DLM 1A. So now my part is a retailer. So retailer are the consumer facing part of the supply chains, and most people interact with them frequently. They come in all different type, style and size. Retailer typical but good from a manufacturer, wholesaler or other distribution, and then reseller them to the public. Large retailers such as Walmart and target purchase good in high volume from manufacturer or wholesaler. But small family operated pharmacy and your local grocery store can buy from the same outlet of or the smaller vendor. In other way, the retailer sell those good to the end user at the markup. The difference between their purchase price and the resale price. This is how retailer make a profit. So from the Gardenia bakery, it's brought by truck and delivery to the grocery store and can be purchased by customer. That's all from my end. Thank you very much.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Arina Binti. My ID number is PDL2111032. For consumers, Gardenia had segmented their consumer into two main categories, which is psychographic and demographic. Firstly, Gardenia focused on psychographic in separating the Gardenia market, which is lifestyle. For example, customer demands for looking freshness, convenience, variety and uncompromising taste. Next is demographic. Demographics divide into a few categories such as age, gender, income and ethnic background. Gardenia focus on age-factor consumer like teenagers, adults and senior citizens. A wide range of choices make bread a popular food, affordable for people of all age. From here, we can see that Gardenia's bread can encourage to everyone. I think that's all explanation from us about our poster. Thank you.
Okay, for a conclusion, in the final analysis, logistics is extremely detailed and complex. There is natural tendency to focus on performing function. The marketing concept provide the foundation for customer accommodation with no customer context. Structural arrangements range from very direct between producer and consumer involving various wholesale and retail intermediaries. Procurement in organization is charged with full of responsibility for obtaining the product required to support manufacturing and operation. Transportation is a key activity in logistics because it moves product the various stage of production and ultimately to the consumer. Warehousing has been stock inventory. Contemporary warehousing provide a broader value proposition in terms of service benefit. So, logistics is hard process that links supply chain into integrated operation in organization. Okay, thank you.
I know gold is not enough.